Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is Wednesday 23rd of June 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing pips today through live intraday analysis in real time and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, so feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, as I said to you, just a recap, guys, we are intraday analysis. We analyze in 4 hour and then we refine our entries and exit in our intraday system. So let's dig into the 4 hour. If you look at this week, we were long. If you haven't seen my previous analysis review, watch. The link is given in the video. Link is given in the video description. You can see from this week we were long. Yesterday we had beautiful. Today we had a beautiful as soon as the price respected, and we were long, bank beautiful pips. If you look at right now the situation of EURUSD, it's look like the price is forming it a bearish flag pattern. So we'll let you know tomorrow if the price is going to break or not. And let's dig into the today's analysis, how I did. Okay, so if you look at the today analysis, this analysis, technically we had it only one pullback, which is, you can see here in 4 hour, we have this pullback after this breakout. And that's basically, this is the analysis I did for the Asian session. My Asian session traders look for this pullback, which is technically this level in 4 hour. We had this pullback in the morning. I also updated analysis, same analysis updated as soon as the London Open, because I need to do another analysis just before the London Open. So I explained to my traders to look for another. Still we are looking a pullback. So as you can see here, price nicely came back and developed pullback based on the 4 hour. Momentum was bullish. So as soon as the price hit and this resistance level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. As soon as the price broke on the previous high, we also mentioned we can squeeze few more pips here. And as soon as the price hit to the Bollinger, this is the Fibonacci's ratios, and that's what we dynamic Fibonacci ratio in our system. Technically, if you look at in 4 hour, price nicely respected in you can see here, this is the level. As soon as the price hit this level, and what we explained to trader is time to enjoying pipping. So we can see here today we had amazing long trade on EURUSD. Tomorrow we'll let you know if the price is going to break this bearish flag pattern. Probably going to have interesting short trade. We'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had amazing trades, guys. If you look at the pound dollar, let's see in 4 hour, again we were long this week, and yesterday, as I mentioned you guys, that looked like the price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free to watch. Link is given in the video description. So based on this inverted head and shoulder pattern, we were long. So we were expecting a long trade today. As you can see here, price nicely broken and retest, beautiful long and bank beautiful pips. We also had a beautiful counter short trade. Let me share with you guys today's analysis, today intraday analysis. All right, guys, so if you look at the pound dollar, I did analysis at the Asian session too, as you can see here. Okay, so this was the analysis yesterday, bank beautiful pips. As you can see here, as soon as technically we were looking at pullback at this level. In intraday, in 4 hour, we were looking pullback at this level. This is the pullback we're looking here. So you can see as soon as the price developed a double bottom and price refused to break this level, right? This is which we explained. As soon as the price broke on this wedge, even in 4 hour, you can see here, this is impulsive, correction impulsive, that we had a beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to this resistance level in 4 hour, you can see it. And that's what explaining to trader is time to enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful long trade this morning. And at the New York session, as you can see here, our first priority always be towards the momentum. That's what we explained to trader. Look for this pullback. But if the price is going to break after the breakout, if the price is going to retest, that's going to give us the confirmation. Then we were looking a short trade here. Even in 4 hour, you can see here, this is the major resistance level. That's what we explained to trader. And if you look at here, we haven't seen any green candle at this level, and then we need a patient. You can see here price broken after the price break, price retest, and that's what we explained to trader. Now it's time to enjoying pipping as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to consider tightening your stop loss, or you can bank few pips on pound dollar. That's the more detail we explained to trader through live intraday, through live analysis and live RD that if the price is going to fail to maintain this level, that's the good sign for rejection, but we need a confirmation based on the 4-hour price action. As you can see here, price nicely respected around 140,000 level. So you can see here we had a beautiful long trade, and as a counter short trade we had a beautiful short trade. Again, everything is based on technical analysis, based on the valid technical entry. All right guys, so let's move into the dollar CAD. We had amazing trade, short whole day and then long at the New York session. Let me share with you guys, and let's see the dollar CAD again. If you look at here, as I mentioned in my previous analysis, if you haven't seen, the video link is given in the video description. You can see we had a double bottom, price nicely. We were short for whole week, and if you look at here, bigger picture, you can see here the price developed in head and shoulder pattern. So technically we were long. You can see here this is impulsive correction, impulsive correction, impulsive. So we were short whole day and we were long today, just after the at the New York session evening. So let me share with you the intraday analysis, and the dollar CAD was a pretty straightforward. We just keep taking a pullback short trades here, guys. If you look at the intraday analysis, this is the so this is the analysis I did at the Asian session, and which is pretty straightforward. I explained to trader, guys, momentum is bearish. As you can see, even 4-hour we are in downtrend. So where we have explained to just keep taking a pullback. If the price is going to respect this orange EMA, you can see here price nicely respected short trade here. Then again at the the London morning session, I explained to trader, you can see here again, same thing, guys, take a pullback. You can see here pullback, then another pullback, then another pullback. And I said to guys, keep taking a pullback. So this is where we had a beautiful pullbacks, New York session, London morning session, and even in the New York session, we had a one small pullback, which is I explained to my trader, we were expecting a long, but I said to guys, just trade what you see it, not what you think. So what happened here, you can see here price was downside channel, and as you can see, as explained in trader, first priority would be the pullback short, which price nicely developed a pullback, bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the support level and at the previous low in 4-hour. That's, you can see here, bank beautiful pips. Afterwards, what happened, price reverse. As soon as the price reverse, that's what we explained to trader. You can see the price broken, we need a pullback. As soon as after the breakout, if we get the pullback here, then we're going to take, as you can see, a price nicely broken this level. And afterwards, through live ID commentary, we explained to trader the only way we're going to look at if the price is going to develop a pullback and the momentum is going to develop bullish. So you can see here, we were expecting a pullback here. As you can see here, price nicely broken this high, and after that price nicely developed this pullback. You can see here, and I look at in 4-hour, we can see here such a nice beautiful rejection. We have this counter long trade, and still a couple of traders are still holding this long on CAD. You can see here, we look at in 4-hour, we analyze and refine our entries and exit in intraday and bank beautiful pips. Either it's a counter or trend trade, it as long as there's a valid technical reason, we don't basically avoid taking those trades with a high probability trades. So you can see we enjoyed beautiful trades on dollar CAD, especially dollar CAD pullback, keep taking a pullback short here. All right guys, so you can see we had amazing trade, especially we had a beautiful trade on pound yen. I really enjoyed it. We were long here from yesterday. You can see in 4-hour again, what a beautiful, you can see here head and shoulder pattern, price broken at the Asian session. That's what I explained to trader, take this breakout. We were long and we had only 1 or 2 counter short trade, but beautiful long trades whole day. Let me quickly share with you the pound yen trade just in, because this is the best trade of the day. Bank beautiful pips. You can see here, this is the analysis I did at the Asian session, pretty straightforward based on the 4-hour. Let me share with you. So this is the breakout this is the breakout trade. As you can see here, beautiful breakout at the Asian session, because momentum was bullish. Bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price developed, headed, double top, bank beautiful pips. Once that pips is done, then in the London morning session, I explained to trader, look for counter short trade. As you can see, as soon as the price developed, double top, we explained to take a counter short trade. Only few pp's. If you look at here, technically came down and banked few pp's as a counter. As soon as the price developed this pattern, which is explaining to my trader, this is the bull flag pattern, momentum refused to bearish. As you can see here, looks like the price might gonna hit 155,146 level, which is basically coordinate with the major resistance level. You can see here, beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the previous high, explain to trader, bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade here, because we're expecting, if the price is going to develop double top, possibility of reversal. And afterwards, you can see here, technically price came down, but as I said to you guys, we're only looking a valid technical entry. And afterwards, you can see price reverse. And that's why we had a debate with my traders, that either most of the traders was thinking is gonna go short, but I said, okay, it's not about thought process, it's all about what we see it. So here you can see here, as explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this previous high, then we're going to taking a long, otherwise a pullback long haul. Otherwise, if the price is going to break this level, then we're taking a short trade here. So you can see here, price nicely broken this previous low, and as soon as the price hit this level, which is another fib channel, you can see here, bank beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA, we had a beautiful counter short trade. So you can see here, we analyze in depth through intraday. Keep in mind, in 4-hour price action, that really helped traders to bank amazing pips. You can see, guys, that was amazing trades today on pound yen. All right, guys, I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As I said to you guys, the most important thing is not to look at the analysis which is performed. The most interesting thing is you should be watching those analyses in real time and enjoying pipping in a real time and developing your trading skill in a real time. That's my main objective, to help traders or to develop their trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And if you are interested, how I coach and train my traders through live intraday analysis through this platform, how I help them to get funded, so please feel free to book one-to-one free consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And even if you are experienced trader, guys, you can see this is purely price action trading in 4-hour, and you definitely is going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So once again, most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.